Shine Loud Goal Getter by NYX. This is really cool. So it comes with a lip gloss and a lipstick. This is the lip gloss, this is the lipstick. This is like a raspberry color, so I'm super excited to see what it looks like on. Alright, we're gonna open her up. I hate using my nails for this, but sometimes I just get so excited. Alright, maybe, oh yeah, you can twist it, okay. So here it, ooh, no scent to it. Look how cute this is. So here is the applicator. I'm gonna put her on. I'm so excited to see this color. Okay. I like this color. I like this color a lot. So it's definitely more of like a fall-y color vibe, but I'm not mad about it. Ooh, it's kind of sticky. I'm gonna put the gloss on top. Ooh, okay. It's like a brush. This is fun. Definitely should have exfoliated my lips before, but it's okay. I'm just staring at my lips in the mirror. I think this is gonna get like a 9 out of 10 for me. Love the color. Formula applicator was great. Both applicators were great. I really like this overall. Next time I will definitely exfoliate before putting this on. I should have. I just didn't feel like it. See how she comes off. I'm gonna take a minute or two to let my lips calm down. This is e.l.f.'s Glowy Rubber Slipstick. Love that term. Vine and Shine. So it's a tinted lip oil stick. I get so excited when I open products. I'm like, I want it open now. Ooh. Not really a scent to it, but got this twist up stick application. I'm excited to see this color. Wow. It's so smooth. Wow. So smooth, so hydrating. And it's not sticky. Look at that finished shine. I have been into tinted lip balms lately, so I wanted to try this Bayfree hydrating tinted lip balm. This is in Camellia. Camellia. It has a nice plumping effect, but a glossy finish. It has jojoba seed oil, which is really good for hydrating your lips. Ooh, cute. This is so cute. Ooh, look at that. Let's try her on. Already. I really like the tint, but I also love my lips feel so hydrated. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel like I have any like lipstick on, so I like that. I love Wonderskin. I am such a huge fan of all of their products, really. I've tried their mascara, multiple lip stain, their face cream. Got this lip Rehab serum oil in shade Lover. Ooh. I think this is going to be like a pinkish corally tint. I feel the hydration, non-sticky. I got 2 more Bayfree products. They're so cute. I had to try them. Oh, cheek and lip tint. We got cherry and raspberry. Let's try them out. I'm gonna try one on half and the other on that other half because I don't know how easy they will be to take off. This is the cherry. So putting cherry on this side. Wow. And then we got raspberry. I feel like the raspberry is more deeper. Yeah, deeper toned, whereas the cherry is more brighter. And I like the matte finish too. Like you don't feel like anything's really on your lips, so that's nice. It's nice because you can put like a gloss over it too. Right, so I have nothing on my hand. You can try it out. I don't know, but wow, nothing. I'm trying to take it off, and yeah, it's staying on there pretty good.